Alright, let's get started. Imagine this, your WhatsApp account disappears from your mobile device for no apparent reason. Maybe you accidentally deleted the app or lost access to your SIM card and now you can't log back in. Without a SIM card to receive the verification code, it feels almost impossible to recover your account. But don't worry, that's exactly what we're here to talk about today. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your WhatsApp account using a platform called amigobot.chat. You can access it from any device with a browser, so let's dive right into it. First, we'll head over to the chat interface powered by artificial intelligence. Once you're there, you'll enter a special command called superuser. As you can see on the screen, this is how you format it. Once the command is submitted, the AI will confirm that you've been granted superuser status and provide a list of available commands. From this list, we're going to choose the one called WhatsApp code. After selecting and sending it, the platform will generate a unique code to verify your account. At this point, you'll need to enter the phone number linked to your WhatsApp account. Once you provide your number, the platform will start the process and show you the progress in real time. When it reaches around 49%, you'll receive a notification saying that the session has been successfully virtualized. Next, you'll need to complete a quick verification step to confirm you're not a robot. The verification is super simple. Just click on Verify. Instead of receiving a traditional SMS code, you'll use your Google Play account. It doesn't even need to be linked to your WhatsApp. All you have to do is download one of the suggested apps. For example, I chose TikTok. The platform provides clear instructions for each app. In my case, I downloaded TikTok, followed the steps, and once the process was complete, I received the verification code directly through the platform. This code is valid for 5 minutes, so make sure to copy and paste it into the designated field right away. After that, the platform will finish loading, and your WhatsApp account will open without any issues. As you can see, we're now back in the account and have full access to all its features, sharing status updates, exploring channels, and much more. It's all thanks to the incredible AI integration in this chat platform. That's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I'll see you next time.